जैसा आपको पता है, अगर आप टीचर ऐप को अपडेट करते हो तो जो आपका ऑनलाइन क्लास को शेड्यूल करने का जो इंटरफेस था वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू शेड्यूल अ क्लास. So first of all we have to go in the teacher app. If you will go in teacher app, that time it will show like in live classes it will show like this, because earlier the interface is different. Now they have updated, Neverskip have updated the interface. So what you have to do, just right click at the top, one option is there beside online classes, just click on that, then these details will be there. So what you have to do, first you have to specify the date. If you will click on the date, it will show the date. Suppose here date is 9, I'll choose this. Then start and end time. This is a good interface, because earlier we have to put the time and there will be some problems in am and pm. Sometimes the classes are not properly scheduled. Now that option is good. Here we can schedule the class. Suppose I want to schedule the class at 11, and here I can put whatever the timing. Suppose 11:35 am or pm, I can select from here, put ok. Then end time also, from here you can set the end time also, whatever be the time you can set here. Then title, other things are same like this demo. See here, now teachers, you can see your subject only, because whatever the subjects that have mapped with you in your school portal, that subjects will be shown here. If you are the subject teacher of English, then only English will be there. uh, that depends upon the name of the subjects. Whatever the subjects that is mapped with you, that subjects will be shown here. Suppose in my case, I have mapped all the subjects, that's why it is showing all the subjects. In staff name, only one name is there. Earlier it has all the staff details. Then you have to just paste the link here. So to paste the link, what you have to do, just go on the Zoom app. Just go on the Zoom app. So Zoom app is there. From Zoom app, go on the Zoom app, just open the Zoom app, then go in the meeting. Here send invitation, then copy to clipboard. Now if you will just paste the full link in the Neverskip app, that will be not properly linked, because it contains all the details. That's why what you have to do, first use WhatsApp. You can message to anyone. Just send the link to one of your friend. Then from here, just copy this blue link only, copied, and just paste this link in your teacher app. Here you can paste the link. You can just leave the password option, no need to put here. And now you have to select the class, for which class you have to schedule the class. So click on this plus symbol, and it will show the all the classes which are mapped with you. So just select the class. Suppose I am here selecting the class 11th A. This is a demo, so I'll select, suppose I'll 11th A, and just done. Now what you have to do, you can just provide any notes. If you want to provide, you can just add here, and then click on this arrow beside right side, one arrow is there, just click on the arrow. Date and time cannot be, so this is the wrong time I have mentioned. Now okay. Now so it will give you some 5-second time to stop, otherwise your class gets scheduled posted. And you can see here, because here in my case many classes are mapped, that if you want to search for your class, it will show for your subject only. Suppose I want to search for IP here, and date is today's date. So here See, 11:35, here the class is scheduled. So in this way you can schedule the class, and here you will also get the option of students. Suppose you have completed any of the class, just click on the students and you can get how many students are present, how many students are late, how many students are absent. And from here also, suppose some student is absent and but that student has joined the class through your link, so you can just click on this pencil symbol, and from here you can update the attendance of the particular student from absent to present. So in this way the particular app will work, and you can schedule the classes in your updated app, which is having a good interface for scheduling a class.